kind. They are hungry. Nature friends. Ready? Let's go! Yeah, to the field! Race you there! I'm winning!
Turn slowly.
Like this? Yes.
My turn! Good job!
Strong arms.
All right, team, let's get churning.
It's moving! Faster! We're doing it! Wonderful job!
Brown bread.
Into oven hot.
Oh, yes.
Hell. Look at that fire go.
It's so bright!
It'll make great bread.
It already smells wonderful. The fire is so pretty!
It is, sweetheart.
Can we make s'mores?
Great idea. I'll get the sticks.
The fire is so warm!
It is. You both were a big help. We make a great team.
Yeah, this is the best. This is ghee. Good for food.
Smells good.
Golden! Nice! Good. It's bubbling!
You're doing great, sweetie.
It smells delicious. Is it ready? I can't wait! Me too! It's almost ready.
It smells wonderful.
Yay, I'm so excited. Is it soup? Looks good.
For winter.
Good planning. Safe food.
Big bags.
Strong work.
For winter.
Okay, let's get these sacks up.
I got one.
Great work, team.
This is so much grain. I can help. Let's pour them all out. It's like a treasure hunt.
Easy now. Teamwork. Okay, steady now.
It's heavy. I got it.
Great job, team.
Yay. Clean home. Good for chickens. Dusty. I sneeze. Good work. Keep going. I'm sweeping the hay. Wow, you're fast. Yeah. Go, go. The chickens are dancing. Hee hee. Hee hee. Watch this. Whoa, you're fast. Go, go, go. Your turn. Eat, goats.
They are hungry.
Good animals. They give milk. Strong goats. Look at them eat.
Here you go.
That one's funny.
They love it.
Hey, look at the goats. They're so cute. I want to pet them. Me too. Heavy. I help. Good job. Teamwork. Strong arms. Keep moving. This is so much fun. Yeah, we're almost there. Race you to the fence. Door is loose. Let's fix. Hammer, nails, careful. Good work. Ready. Let's go. This way. Yay! Cool shade.
Nice breeze.
Rest time. Good work.
Yes.
This is the best day ever. Yeah, let's do this again.
I'm in. This is great. Me too, kids.
This is the best day.
It sure is, sweetie.
I could stay here forever. Me too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good counting. Well done.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment and support our channel. Thank you for watching.
Green leaves, yellow corn.
Brown soil.
Good colors. Nice learning. Plant it here, Daddy.
All right, let's see it grow.
Wow, it's glowing. Pretty.
Look here, see what I found?
What? It's grow. It's grown.
It will grow big and strong.
Just like you. Wow, a corn maze. Let's go.
All right, but stay close.
I will, Daddy. This is so cool.
Round bread.
Circle. Square plate. Good.
Nice learning. Round bread.
Square dough. Square plate. Wonderful.
Seems nice.
So funny. Joyous to go. Happy family. We are happy.
Gathering is wonderful.
We are lucky.
I like this day. Market day.
Let's pack. Bread and cheese. Eggs. Fruit.
Everything is here.
We have everything. Different types of fruit. Apples. Grapes.
Wonderful.
Long road.
Fun walk.
Stay together.
Almost there.
Good weather. The weather is sunny.
I like walking.
We are walking on the road.
It is mirth.
Stay together.
So many people. So many things. Be polite.
Smile. Good trade.
Everyone is kind. So many nice people. Watch over there. Really good.
I like it here.
Whoa, look at that. Yes, awesome. Let's go see. This is the best. Come on, everyone.
Fresh cheese. Homemade.
Try.
So good. Good trade.
Here you go, a fresh sample.
Wow, cheese. Can I have one?
Of course, one for everyone.
Wow, that looks so good. Try it, it's yummy. It's delicious.
The best in the market.
Warm bread.
Yummy.
Smells good. Buy some.
Good food.
Here you go. Fresh from the oven.
Wow, thank you.
It looks delicious.
Can I have some? Wow, this looks so good.
Go on, give it a try. It's delicious.
I'm glad you like it. Fresh apples.
Sweet.
Good fruit.
Healthy.
Nice.
Wow, those apples look amazing.
They are. Want one? Yes, please. Thank you. Of course. Joy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye-bye.